Hey guys. All right. So I wanted to talk to you about this week and about the next couple weeks actually. So this is what it's going to look like. I am not going to see you live for a couple of weeks, but we still have lessons to learn. So let me show you kind of how we're going to handle the next couple of weeks. So this is your math class. I do want to just kind of remind you that in here there's some wonderful links if you ever need to know like how to log into things. So if we go to content. Now, during the week, the first, this January 9th week, you are going to be fast testing, okay? So the fast testing, it's very important, and I know they're lengthy. Out of the 5 days, though, you should only be testing two of them, one for math and one for reading. So this is what you are going to do on those 3 days that you are not testing. You still need to log into the OLS. It's still a school day. So we are going to have the first module of the semester. So in the first part, which it just says January 9th through the 13th, you are reviewing our integers. So we are just reviewing those integer rules. I made a video, it's right in here. You're going to have an activity to practice those integer rules, a Desmos activity, hopefully, and an OLS activity. And then we want to make sure we get those Desmos accounts in. So that is the goal for the first week. The second week, this is something new. This is not a review. So on this activity, there's a video I made of me doing these examples. Um, I will be having help sessions throughout the week. You should see those on your schedule. And there are notes, there are practice, there's a graded assignment. It's like a normal week, it's just without the live math class. I will be using this week for help sessions as well as having opportunities to test students who are coming in a little bit late. It's still available via email. This last week of January, I will actually be out at a conference. So once again, there will not be live math classes, but it is still a lesson. So what you learn in this week, which is one-step equations, in the January 16th week, this one is going to be word problems and your module one test. So I'm giving you a week to get these done. You will do this work, not necessarily as homework. It's not meant to do that. It's meant for you to do during the time you usually see me. So you see me for 45 minutes, 4 days a week. That's 3 hours. That is what you are going to use that time to work on this for. During this week, when I'm at my conference, our two math specialists, they will be holding help sessions that you will see. I think Miss Logue already has them scheduled. So you will even see those on your schedule. If you need some help or you want to pop in, she will do them and or Mr. Bynum will do them with you. So if you have anything that you need, you can call me. You can still email me. When I'm at the conference, I might not respond quite as quickly, but I will do my best that I can. So if you have any questions, I'm here for you. I know you can get it. Once these 3 weeks are through, we will start our regular schedule. We've got this. Okay? I know that we're learning without me. I know that this is learning a little bit differently, but I do believe in you and you know how much I love you and I will see you when I can see you.